Looking for a baby play mat that fits perfectly in your 50 by 50 playpen or nursery floor? The PIGLOG foldable baby play mat offers a soft, safe space designed just for babies and toddlers to explore comfortably. Its cushioned XPE foam surface is ideal for tummy time, crawling, rolling, and even those first steps, providing the support your little one needs. What sets this play mat apart is its high-density XPE foam, which combines softness with a lightly textured surface. This texture adds extra grip, so your baby can move around confidently without slipping. Whether your child is practicing crawling or standing, this mat keeps them secure and comfortable during every milestone. The reversible design is a clever touch. One side features bright, cheerful rainbow graphics that stimulate visual engagement, while the other side sports a subtle star pattern that blends seamlessly with your home decor. It's like getting two stylish play mats in one, without taking up extra space. Convenience is built right in. The PIGLOG mat folds easily, making storage and travel hassle-free. Whether you're packing it for a visit or simply tucking it away after playtime, it folds down quickly to fit in closets, car trunks, or diaper bags. Portable, lightweight, and ready to go wherever your family does. Cleanup couldn't be simpler. Thanks to the waterproof surface, spills, drool, and crumbs wipe away with just a damp cloth. This means less time stressing over messes and more time focused on fun. It's a practical choice for busy parents looking to keep their baby's play area fresh and hygienic. If you're caring for a baby between 6 and 12 months, or even a toddler, this play mat offers what you need: safety, comfort, and style in one package. The 50 by 50 size fits most playpens and play areas, giving your child a consistent, cushioned spot to grow and explore. Worth a look if you want a durable, easy-to-clean play mat that adapts to your home and lifestyle. The PIGLOG foldable baby play mat delivers peace of mind with its safe foam construction and practical features. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your baby's play space with something that truly works.